Okay, so this is my 3-point test cross presentation for chapter 5. This is the first problem that you gave us. So there's all these different types of alleles. A homozygous wild-type fly was mated with a black shoe-bird cinnabar fly, and the resulting F1 females were test crossed with the black shoe-bird cinnabar males. This was the following progeny by the test cross. So, first part of problem 1, to determine the order of genes. So the different genes are going to be our CH, B, and CN. You can see these are the total numbers, and then our total altogether. The order of the genes is going to be CH and B on the ends with CN in the middle. Next step in problem 1, we're going to calculate the map distances. You can do this by, you can see here, this is just distance between CH and B plus. So if you look down here, this is CH negative, B plus, so we're going to do 105. CH plus, B negative, we're going to do 40. CH minus, B plus, 41. And finally, CH plus, B minus, 102. So you're going to add all those up and divide by the total of 1800, and you get these decimal right here. Then we're going to do the same thing with CN and B, and then CH and CN. And as you can see from these, this also solidifies my gene order because this is going to be the largest here. So CH with B on the ends, and then CN is going to be in the middle because this is the largest decimal. Next, we're going to calculate the coefficient of coincidence and interference using this same progeny. The coefficient of coincidence is observed over expected. We find the observed numbers with these really small ones right here, 5 and 4. And then our expected, we do the total times, and if you look back here, times this decimal, which is really 5/100ths and 12/100 right there, because they are the smaller of the two, the smaller of the three. So we get this right here. And then interference is 1 minus the coefficient of coincidence. So 1 minus 0.83 gives us 0.17. Alright, then we move on to problem number 2, which is the same thing. We can just, instead of A plus A minus, we just use the numbers are going to be A. The letters represent negative, plus signs are positive. So the gene order is going to be B, A, C. To construct the genetic map, which also helps us get the gene order. So from A to B, we calculate all the ones that are different. So these are the same, different. 40 plus 10 plus 42 plus 14 gives us that over the total, and you get these decimals right here. You do the same thing for A to C and B to C. So this gives us B, A, C, B to C being the longest over here with this largest decimal, A to C being 0.221 or 22.1 centimeters. So map units, 22.1 map units, 27.8 map units, and 10.5 map units. And that was all for the 3-point cross in chapter